Karina, what's going on?
I don't know.
You don't know? What's in those?
Bows.
Butterfly bows.
What's this?
A book about a sheep.
Ah,
What's this?
Looks like another book. That one looks like it's for Paigey.
What's this?
some hair bows for Paige too.
Wow.
What's my hair bow? My hair bow is big.
Yeah.
Karina, how did these all get here?
I don't know.
You think the Easter Bunny left them?
Yeah.
Maybe he hid a bunch of eggs too. You think he hid some plastic eggs around?